guys, welcome back to Willicki Family. Why are they on the side? Why are they going on the side? What the heck?
He's fighting the current. It's a pretty strong wind out there.
Two. Marley. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
This is so dangerous.
All right, now Marley, roll down your window.
No.
1. I think I said that already, but 0. Oh my
No,
god.
no,
Oh my god.
no.
Oh my god. No, literally, what if the Kraken took us?
This is at the right time, Simon.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah! Woo! Actually, I'm not.
No?
He's saying come.
No. Okay, Marley, you have to record for a minute.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, don't say that.
What? Why? Oh, hey, crap. Hey, crap. This is bigger than the other one. This is bigger than the other one. Can I go to sleep, please?
Why do you have your seat, your life jacket on, baby?
So I don't die on this stupid boat. Mom, can I record?
You ready? Ride the ferry?
No. Can I record? This is bigger than the other one that we saw. Can I record, Mama? Can I record?
Marley, it's okay. Here we go. See, it'll be done in just a minute. It's okay, baby. I would not bring you on unless it was safe. It's fine. It's fine.
It's not safe at all. Mom, can I please record?
We're going.
Oh, I saw the tentacle of the Kraken. Hey guys, this is Willicki Family. We're on a ferry right now because we just got back from a beach place and we're heading back on this ferry. Oh, sorry you're getting wet.
I'm getting wet.
Guys.
Sadie.
What?
Please, I'm not getting wet.
Stop that way.
Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to. We're coming in for a landing.
Yay, we didn't die. Yay.
Yeah, I'd give that a yay too. My goodness. Here we go.
This was scarier than I just saw something.
Coming in kind of fast.
And it was scary. How's the phone back, Mom?
I don't know how I'm gonna get used to this, but
Hey, Marley. It wasn't that bad.
this is the part that I hate. Don't go, Mom.
It wasn't that bad.